We are back, the Richard Schwartz Show with Richie, Stephen Nixon, Cooper Miles. Richie, I got a text message. You guys doing Camp Lejeune cases?
Absolutely. We represent a good many people. I think that so people understand that. I think there's a chance that those cases will settle. The money has been set aside. I think $40 billion for Camp Lejeune victims. And basically what you had to do, you had to be on Camp Lejeune for about 30 days. Doesn't have to be continual, but 30 days. As you well know, the water was polluted, and there are all kinds of ailments related that could be caused by that water. And that's for people, your spouse. You could have a child that was had a mental deficiency when born, a miscarriage, people who work on the base. All of those people have a potential claim, and they need to call us. We'll definitely talk to them about it and help them out. We're at 601-9-8, and we're definitely here to help our veterans.
And Camp Lejeune was a military base, correct, Richie?
Yeah, it's in North Carolina. It's a Marine base, and a lot of people go there for training, off and on for training, and as a result, they were drinking the water that was polluted. And I don't recall the years right off the top of my head, but there's certain years, and they estimate well over 1 million people were exposed
August 1st,
during that time frame.
August 1st, 1953 to December 31st, 1987. So if you stay there, usually for basic training or something like that, give us a call. Richie was one of the leaders in Roundup and got involved with. Or have you decided who you're working with on the Camp Lejeune cases? Is it the same guys on Roundup, or is it a different?
Yeah,
team?
Same people. The way it works is anytime you have a federal tort claim, you have to send in paperwork, tell them what you think the case is worth, and in a 6-month period, they normally have an offer for you. And that may or may not be the way this works, but that's the way it normally works on a Federal Tort Claim Act. And if that's the case, it's very possible that could be offers within a short period of time once we send in the information.
But with that said, we have a question. If I get hit by an ambulance, is there a possibility for a claim? Cooper.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay? Of course. Oh, go ahead, Cooper.
No, Richie. I would never tread on a chance for you to talk, please.
Well, the real question is it a private ambulance, or is it a company, or is it somehow related to a city, town, or
you're talking
county?
About emergency vehicles are immune on Mississippi Tort Claims Act.
Yes, but again, if they're a private company, they may not be, because even though they're working for, let's say, a hospital, the private company is still liable for negligence. It isn't the same standard. Am I right on that, Cooper?
I believe so.
Yeah. So, for instance, if you're a private ambulance company and you commit negligence, you could be responsible. Now, if you are an ambulance that's owned by the state or the county, then you might have a different issue, and you may have to have gross negligence.
And it also, it'll be interesting. If it hits you while it's coming to provide services for you, you might back into. They have immunity on providing emergency medical services, and then they have immunity on providing, driving around like a fire truck and stuff like that. So you might walk in, if they're coming to you and hit your car to provide medical services, they're going to raise both immunities in my mind. I think the one providing medical care is weaker in that situation, but just be clear. What you want to do whenever there's a city, state, county, or a federal government involved, you want to get an attorney in immediately.
Yeah.
Because you have to file a notice of claim, and they do not make it easy.
It's a shorter statute of limitations as well.
So you do not want to mess around with those. Yep. You want to give us a call at 601-988-8888. Let me ask you this, Richie. We got a text in about 3M cases. Is it too late to sign up for 3M?
No, it's not. There are some potential statute problems. It depends on a lot of factors, but no, they need to call in, and we'll definitely look at it and see. But 3M has not settled yet. There are negotiations going on. The judge has ordered mediation. She said that she thought the progress is going very well. I think there will be a settlement. She obviously does too, because she said there was going to be a trial this month, but she continued that trial for the purposes of continuing with negotiations. So she obviously felt, she being the judge, felt very confident that there's going to be a resolution sometime very soon.